The crowd loves them.
It's fun having some live performances. Just kind of happening here in the last year or so.
Yeah, here again, 75 feet long. Imagine the difficulty in making the turn with this. A little tricky. Look at that eagle. Beautifully done. Flat, carrot.
And well, they got a cart section there?
You know, I've heard rumor that those students in the back were going to perform the first wave ever.
Oh, I can't wait to see that. Look at that, you got pampas grass on the head. And then also rapeseed, which is an odd-sounding term, but actually that's the seed from which we get canola oil.
Oh, nice. Look at that float, man. Then they've got those remote floats up ahead.
Yeah, because remember, the drivers, for the most part, are hidden inside the vehicle somewhere, and either by someone on a walkie-talkie telling them what to do, or they can visually see for themselves. Nevertheless, tricky to make those turns.
Alrighty, let's take a look at the Medieval Times Dinner and Tournament Equestrian Unit. All the riders are actors from Medieval Times Dinner and Tournament.